The Trailblazer was a great machine to take our benches back and forth from the parking lot when we got to redo them and stuff down to the woods. It was a really handy machine to use. And I loaded 3 of them on. It went uphill, downhill really nice too, and over a lot of brush and everything in the woods. A lot of obstacles and stuff to go around, and it made my job a lot easier to take those down to the woods. The brake system on the Trailblazer was really nice. You hit the handle on the right side to go right, hit the handle on the left side to go left. It was really nice system to use. Anybody could use it. Yeah, the Trailblazer was nice and compact to get through our trails. There's a lot of narrow areas, obstacles to go around. It was nice and compact to get through it all. If you had a wheel system, you'd probably get stuck in the areas I was going through. Overall, it was a great machine.